Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy S26 FE is coming later this year, with an expected launch date around September 1, 2026. Leaked color options: purple, black, gray, white. A 50MP Samsung ISOCELL S5 KGN3 sensor main camera. An 8MP OmniVision OV08 a 1 telephoto sensor that delivers 3x optical zoom. 12MP sensors for ultra-wide. A 12MP Galaxy Core GC12A2 sensor selfie camera. Here's our first real-life look at the Galaxy S26 FE, featuring a flat body frame and a protruding rear camera module. The model number SMS741 has appeared on Geekbench. The source code also points towards the presence of the Exynos 950 GPU, suggesting that the phone could be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 chipset. The benchmark entry further reveals that the device is running Android 17 and is paired with around 8GB of RAM. The S25 FE slimmed down to 190 GMS, kept the 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and paired it with a 4900 mAh battery and long-term software support. The Galaxy S26 FE to retail around $650. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.